Mexico earthquake. 6.6 magnitude quake hits southern state of Chiapas. SWAYS buildings in Mexico City. A 6.6 magnitude earthquake struck in southern Mexico on Friday, the U.S. Geological Survey said. The quake, which initially registered as 6.5 in magnitude, hit 4.8 miles south of El Encanto and 11.9 miles northeast of Tapachula in the southern state of Chiapas around 8:14 a.m. PT. USGS said. The temblor caused tall buildings to sway hundreds of miles away in Mexico City, where some people were evacuated from offices along a central boulevard. There were no immediate reports of injuries.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.